Let's take a look at the Shape Builder tool. You can access the Shape Builder tool from the Tools menu from here. You can use the shortcut Shift M. Here we have the Shape Builder tool on, but it is not showing anything right now because we need to select the shape first and then apply Shape Builder over the shape or an object. Make sure that the shapes are overlapping and multiple shapes. In this scenario, I have taken 3 shapes. That is one pink background, a green circle, and over that this is a orange ground. So notice if I go to the each object, it comes highlighted. So and it is showing a plus sign with the arrow key. So let's say I'm gonna take this from click and drag and here. So what it did was merge these two objects. I'm going to give undo. Let's say I want to merge all of these. So I'm going to go like so. And all of these have been merged into a one single object. Currently it is in white color. There's currently no fill. So I'm just going to give black color and see. This is what it has become of the shape. I'm going to give undo. Okay. You can do a lot more than just unite all these shapes. You can also remove anything from this shape as well. So let's say I want to remove, let's say I'm going to take Shape Builder, Shift M, and I'll just remove this part. So I'm going to hold Alt, and as you can see, there is a minus sign next to the cursor. I'm going to click here and here. So this portion is now removed and there is nothing here. It is transparent. To check whether if the object is transparent or not, you can go to the window menu. Sorry, it's going to view menu and show transparency grid, or you can just use the shortcut Shift Control D, and there you can see this object is now transparent. I'm going to use the Shift Control D shortcut to bring back my original screen. Okay, I'm going to do undo now one by one. So if you want every, you can also do you can make every single one of these objects as separate. So I'm going to click, separate, click, 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 click. So all of these objects are now becoming separate. I'm using this direct selection tool and then click and drag. Ungroup, and then you can just click and drag and make this one separate. Every single thing separate, as you can see. So I'm going to bring back together, undo it for now. Alright, so what else you can do is you can double click on this. We have few more options here. I can just click on this cursor swatch preview. Okay, and notice if you can see there is a color here. If I hold the right arrow key, it changes the color to different colors. Let's say it is yellow now. If I click on a shape, I'll just merge these two shapes and show it will be turned to yellow. Now if I move this and go to cyan, and if I merge these two shapes, they will be in cyan. So I can toggle within the colors in the swatches and change the color. So that's another cool option that we have here with respect to this Shape Builder tool. Also, this is not particularly I'm going to redo. Okay, this is not particularly for this option. I'm going to just go back, and if I switch off the cursor preview, and now if I go ahead and select the and then do fill, now if I just give a right arrow key, you can see this foreground color is getting filled with different colors. So click, and there the color is changing as I am pressing the right arrow key or the left arrow key. So that is our shape builder tool. Basics of the shape builder tool is how to make this different shapes a group, and then select and use the shape builder tool. Just click and drag to add these shapes, or if you want to remove, just hold Alt. It is as simple as that. Let's give an try this on our exercise. Let's say I want to remove all of these. I want to make this transparent. I want to see through the glass here. So let's just go to this. I'm going to select all of these. Hold Shift M, shortcut for shape builder tool. So Alt is to subtract. Click, click. Alt click, and there I have subtracted. I can also take off these lines here. So I'm going to do it again. Shift M and just hold Alt and give a minus. Here as well. Shift M, Alt, and click and drag to remove this. The reason why I did not do this one is because if I do it selecting the background, it will remove through the Ferris wheel base as well. So if I do this, there is a cut within the Ferris wheel as well. There's nothing here. Shift Control D for transparency grid. See that there has been a cut through the Ferris wheel base as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select particularly this one and go Shift M, hold Alt and click, and now my car has a transparent glass. I can also do the same with this. With the way I did with this, I'm gonna click and select Shift M, Alt, click and drag, and there we have done it. So these are all now transparent. That was a basic way of just making things go away transparency. Now let's do something more complex, that is create something out of shape builder tool. Here I have taken this sketch of a bird. This made particularly using these golden ratio circles. These I'll show how to create these circles in the next video. I'm going to take this circle, use this circle as a grid, and create this logo of a bird. So I'm going to take this, the biggest circle. I'm going to hold Alt and click and drag to copy this circle. I'm going to do the body first so it fits all right. Okay. There we have the body. Now I'm going to try the fin. Okay, the fin, sorry, not the fin, the bird, the feather, fin, the flap of the bird. And next, I'm going to take the smaller circle, Alt click and drag, and there, set. I'm going to do the head now. Head will be, I think this one. Alt click and drag and set. Zoom in a bit and make these circles properly aligned to one another. To make a better look, I'll just give Control Y to take the better look here and make sure these two are properly aligned with each other. There. Okay, absolutely nice. I'm going to give Control Y again. Okay, and next we can have the beak of the bird. I'm going to take the copy of these circle. The biggest one here, it's gonna be like that. Okay. I can take a copy of from the set or from whatever I have within the artwork. For now this works, so I'm gonna take another copy and make the beak of the bird like so. Okay, it is set now. This might seem confusing. Let's take another eye. Move this one for the eye. Alt click and drag. Set here. You can use arrow keys for proper precise placement of the object. Go okay. So everything is done. I can select my, I'm going to lock this one. Control 2 to lock. Okay. Now select all these circles. Go Shift M for Shape Builder tool. I'm going to, okay, I have missed one circle here. Okay. Say this one. There. Okay. Now select all the circles. Press Ctrl M for the Shape Builder tool. I'm going to remove this, none of this. Okay. Alt click and remove. Alt click and drag to remove. Alt click and drag to remove this. Now I'm going to merge all of this. Click and drag simply, and there I have my bird. I'm going to alt click to remove this. Click. Alt click to remove this. Alt click. Drag. Okay. I'm going to have to do these circles separately, I guess. I'm going to select these two. Okay. Okay. So Shift M. Let's just do this again. Just go ahead and delete that. Select all these. Just do these two for now. Shift M and Alt click to remove. Okay, eyes done. Fantastic. Now let's do the body. Click here. Select this one as well and this one as well. I'm going to Shift M and merge all these shapes. Okay. Okay, so there I have it. My bird, I'm going to make this blue, and where's the eye? In case this happens, you can just go Control Y and select the shape and give the color white. Also arrange and bring to front. And there, I have my simple logo using Shape Builder tool and the golden ratio circles as well. I'm going to put off that background layer. Lock image, switch it off. Okay. Looks fine. Twitter logo has been made using the very same concept, the golden ratio one as well.